Password reset not sending email on Monzo Business Fix. If you've tried to reset your Monzo business password but haven't received the email, don't worry, this issue is surprisingly common and usually easy to fix. Start by checking your spam or junk folder. Monzo's reset emails come from helpmonzo.com or similar automated addresses, and many email filters block them by default. Try searching for Monzo or password reset to be sure it's not buried somewhere in your inbox. Next, make sure you're using the correct email address, the one tied to your Monzo business account. Many business owners have both personal and business profiles, and if you enter the wrong one, no email will ever arrive. If your email is correct, at Monzo, come to your contacts or safe sender list and try again. Then wait a few minutes, don't click the reset button multiple times in a row. Doing so can cause delays or deactivate previous links. If you're using a business domain email, check with your department or spam filter settings. Corporate systems often block automated messages from banks for security reasons. Whitelisting Monzo.com usually solves it instantly. Tail nothing? Try logging in through the Monzo business app instead of the web, or vice versa. Clearing your cache or switching to a different browser can also help. If all else fails, reach out to Monzo's business support through the in-app chat. I'll verify your identity and manually trigger the reset email for you. The surprising truth is that most missing Monzo reset emails aren't lost, they're just filtered or blocked before reaching you. Follow these steps and you'll likely see that email appear in minutes. Once you're back in, take a moment to review your security settings and ensure future login requests arrive without issues.